A** debit card ** is one of the most widely used payment methods in the world. It allows people to make purchases, withdraw cash, pay bills, and complete financial transactions directly from the money available in their bank account. Unlike a credit card, a debit card does not normally allow the user to borrow money for everyday purchases. Instead, payments are usually deducted from the available account balance. When a bank or financial institution opens a checking or savings account, it may issue a debit card linked to that account. The card enables customers to access their funds securely through ATMs, retail stores, online shopping, and contactless payment systems, depending on the card's features and the country's banking infrastructure. Every debit card contains important information such as the cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, and a security feature used to help protect transactions. Many modern debit cards also include an EMV chip and support contactless payment technology, which adds additional security during in-person purchases. Using a debit card is straightforward. When making a purchase, the payment request is sent to the customer's bank. If sufficient funds are available and the transaction meets the bank security requirements, the payment is approved and the amount is deducted from the account. The merchant then receives confirmation that the transaction has been authorized. Debit cards can be used in many places around the world. Customers commonly use them for grocery shopping, restaurants, fuel stations, pharmacies, online purchases, utility bill payments, hotel bookings, travel expenses, and ATM cash withdrawals. Many governments and employers also use bank accounts with debit cards for salary deposits and benefit payments. Several types of debit cards are available. Some are designed for domestic transactions within one country, while others support international payments through global payment networks. Banks may also offer virtual debit cards for secure online purchases and business debit cards for company-related expenses. One of the biggest advantages of a debit card is financial control. Since purchases are generally limited to the available account balance, users may find it easier to manage spending and avoid unnecessary debt. Many banking apps also allow customers to monitor transactions in real time, helping them track expenses more effectively. Banks often provide additional security features such as transaction alerts, temporary card locking, spending limits, fraud monitoring, and multi-factor authentication. These tools help customers protect their accounts against unauthorized use and suspicious activity. To use a debit card safely, cardholders should keep their PIN confidential, avoid sharing sensitive banking information, regularly review account statements, and report a lost or stolen card immediately. Customers should also be cautious when using ATMs or making online payments on unfamiliar websites. Before choosing a debit card, it is helpful to compare features offered by different financial institutions. ATM access, international transaction support, mobile banking integration, contactless payments, customer service, and applicable fees may vary depending on the bank and the specific card product. A debit card is more than just a payment tool. It provides convenient access to personal banking while supporting secure everyday financial transactions. Understanding how debit cards work allows users to manage their money more confidently and reduce financial risks. In Part 2 we will discuss debit card security, fraud prevention, contactless payments, online shopping safety, common mistakes, transaction disputes, and practical tips for responsible debit card use. Educational disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial or legal advice. Debit card features, banking services, fees, and regulations vary by country and financial institution. Always review your bank's official terms and conditions before using any financial product.
A debit card offers fast and convenient access to your bank account, but using it responsibly is essential for protecting your money. Understanding how debit card security works and following safe banking practices can help reduce the risk of fraud and unauthorized transactions. Every debit card transaction is protected by multiple security measures provided by banks and payment networks. Modern cards often include EMV chip technology, contactless payment security, transaction monitoring, and encryption systems that help reduce the risk of counterfeit card fraud. Many banks also use two-factor authentication, 2FA, or one-time passwords, OTP, for certain online purchases to add another layer of protection. One of the simplest ways to keep your debit card secure is by protecting your personal identification number, PIN. Never share your PIN with anyone, avoid writing it on the card, and choose a number that is difficult for others to guess. When using an ATM or payment terminal, cover the keypad while entering your PIN to reduce the risk of someone observing it. Online shopping has become increasingly popular, making debit card security even more important. Before entering your card details, verify that the website is legitimate and uses a secure connection. Avoid making financial transactions over unsecured public Wi-Fi networks whenever possible, and always keep your computer, smartphone, and banking apps updated with the latest security features. Many banks provide mobile banking applications that allow customers to monitor transactions in real time. Reviewing account activity regularly helps identify unfamiliar transactions quickly. If any suspicious activity appears, customers should contact their bank immediately so appropriate action can be taken according to the bank's procedures. Another useful feature offered by many financial institutions is the ability to temporarily lock or freeze a debit card using a mobile banking app. If the card is misplaced or suspected to be compromised, temporarily disabling it may help prevent unauthorized use until the situation is resolved. Debit card users should also be aware of common financial scams. Fraudsters may attempt to obtain banking information through fake emails, phone calls, text messages, or fraudulent websites that appear legitimate. Banks generally do not ask customers to share full card numbers, PINs, passwords, or one-time verification codes through unsolicited communications. If you receive an unexpected request for sensitive financial information, verify it directly with your bank using official contact channels. Sometimes transactions may not appear exactly as expected. Merchant processing delays, temporary authorization holds, refunds, or payment reversals can affect account balances for a short period. If a transaction seems incorrect, reviewing the transaction details and contacting the bank or merchant can help clarify the situation. International travel may also require additional planning. Some banks recommend notifying them before traveling abroad to help reduce the chance of legitimate transactions being flagged by fraud detection systems. Customers should also understand any foreign transaction fees or ATM charges that may apply when using their debit card internationally. Responsible financial management includes tracking spending, maintaining an emergency fund, and avoiding overdrawing your account where applicable. Using budgeting tools provided by banking apps can help customers monitor expenses and make informed financial decisions. Although debit cards provide convenience, they should always be used carefully. Protecting personal banking information, monitoring account activity, understanding security features, and following safe payment practices all contribute to better financial security and peace of mind. Thank you for watching this educational series on debit cards. We explored how debit cards work, their features, everyday uses, security measures, fraud prevention, online payment safety, and practical tips for responsible banking. We hope this information helps you use your debit card safely and confidently. Educational disclaimer. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or cybersecurity advice. Banking products, security features, consumer protections, and regulations vary by country and financial institution. Always follow your bank's official guidance and contact your financial institution if you have questions about your account or card security.